One of the most common questions people ask when starting a ketogenic lifestyle is, how do I know if I'm actually in ketosis? The good news is that your body gives you several clear signals. In fact, there are 9 strong indicators that can help you determine whether you've successfully entered ketosis. Reaching ketosis is important for much more than weight management. Many people use it to improve overall health, reduce inflammation, and support recovery from a variety of chronic health concerns. The challenge is that many of the popular testing methods aren't always reliable. For example, urine ketone strips and breath analyzers may seem helpful in the beginning. However, as your body becomes better at using ketones for fuel, it wastes fewer of them. Since these tests measure excess ketones being released from the body, the readings may become very low or even show zero, despite the fact that you're still in ketosis. Because of this, these methods can be misleading over time. Blood ketone testing is generally considered much more accurate, but it can be costly and requires pricking your finger each time you test. Instead of relying solely on testing devices, there are several physical clues your body can provide that reveal whether ketosis is happening. The first signs are often experienced during the transition phase. Depending on how drastically you've reduced carbohydrates, it typically takes around 2 to 3 days for your body to begin making the switch into ketosis. During this adjustment period, some people notice certain symptoms, especially if they aren't getting enough nutrients. The first clue is what many people call the keto flu. The second is keto-related fatigue, and the third is a condition often referred to as keto rash. These symptoms are frequently linked to nutritional gaps rather than ketosis itself. When carbohydrate intake drops significantly, the body often requires additional B vitamins, electrolytes, and minerals. Sea salt and proper electrolyte support can make a major difference during this transition. People who follow a healthy version of keto and focus on nutrient-rich, high-quality foods are much less likely to experience these issues. On the other hand, those following a low-carb approach filled with processed foods often run into more problems because they're not supplying their bodies with the nutrients needed to adapt properly. It's also worth mentioning a couple of related side effects that can occur. Some individuals experience diarrhea when they begin the program. In many cases, this isn't caused by keto itself, but by a sudden increase in vegetable consumption. A healthy ketogenic plan often includes generous amounts of leafy greens and salads to provide important vitamins and minerals. If someone jumps from eating very few vegetables to consuming 7, 8, or even 10 cups of greens per day, their digestive system may need time to adjust. The gut bacteria responsible for breaking down fiber may not yet be developed enough to handle the increase, which can temporarily lead to digestive discomfort. On the opposite side, some people notice keto breath. This is often associated with not eating enough vegetables. The extra greens can help balance some of the compounds being released as ketones are produced and utilized by the body. Now let's move on to another major sign that ketosis is working: weight loss. For many people, weight begins to drop fairly quickly in the early stages. It's not unusual to see losses of 7 to 14 pounds during the first week or two. While this can be exciting, it's important to understand what's actually happening. A significant portion of that initial weight loss comes from water. When you regularly consume large amounts of carbohydrates, your body stores glucose for future energy needs. Every gram of stored glucose is accompanied by approximately 3 grams of water. In other words, carbohydrate storage acts like a sponge, holding onto a considerable amount of fluid. As carbohydrate intake decreases and those glucose reserves are used up, the body releases the associated water as well. This is why the scale can move so dramatically during the first phase of ketosis. Although much of the early change is water weight, it is still a strong indication that your body is shifting away from relying on carbohydrates and beginning to adapt to burning fat as its primary fuel source. People who have been eating a high carbohydrate diet for years often carry a significant amount of extra water in their bodies. That's because stored carbohydrates hold on to large amounts of fluid. When those carbs are removed and the body starts using up its stored glucose, much of that water is released. As a result, it's common for someone to see a dramatic drop on the scale during the first week or even the first 10 days. Many people get excited when they lose a large amount of weight initially, but then become discouraged when the rate slows down afterward. They may see their weekly loss drop to just 1 or 2 pounds and assume the diet has stopped working. This is often when people start looking for another program, believing they've hit a plateau. In reality, the process is still working exactly as it should. The difference is that the early weight loss was largely water, while the later weight loss reflects actual body fat being burned. It's important to understand that under normal circumstances, a healthy body can only burn a limited amount of fat each week. For most people, following a ketogenic lifestyle without extended fasting, losing 1 to 2 pounds of fat per week is already excellent progress. If fasting is added to the routine, the results can become even more significant. Longer fasting periods can increase fat burning, allowing some individuals to lose 3, 4, or even 5 pounds of body fat in a week. However, once the initial water weight has been eliminated, the ongoing changes you see on the scale are usually a much better reflection of real fat loss. Another powerful sign that ketosis is working is when your clothes start fitting differently, especially around your waistline. Sometimes the scale doesn't tell the full story, but your clothing does. If your pants feel looser or your belt needs an extra notch, that's often a strong indication that your body is making positive changes. One reason this happens is because the liver begins releasing stored fat. As liver fat decreases, the body also starts reducing visceral fat, which is the fat stored deep around the organs in the abdominal area. This type of fat is closely linked to many metabolic health problems, so reducing it is a major victory. A shrinking waistline is often a more meaningful sign of progress than the number on the scale. The real goal of a ketogenic lifestyle isn't simply weight loss, it's improving metabolic health by addressing one of the root issues behind many health problems: insulin resistance. As insulin sensitivity improves, the body's cells become more responsive to insulin, allowing nutrients to be used more effectively. One of insulin's important jobs is helping amino acids enter the cells. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein, and protein is essential for repairing and maintaining healthy tissues throughout the body. As insulin function improves, your body becomes better at utilizing these nutrients for recovery and growth. This can be especially valuable for people dealing with age-related muscle loss, hormonal changes, or tissue breakdown. For example, individuals going through menopause often experience muscle atrophy and a gradual decline in lean body mass. Improving nutrient absorption can help support muscle maintenance and overall strength. It's also important to remember that muscle tissue is denser and heavier than fat. As your body becomes healthier and better at using protein, you may gain or preserve lean tissue even while losing fat. This is one reason why the scale doesn't always reflect the full picture. The focus should always be on becoming healthier first, because healthy metabolic function naturally leads to sustainable fat loss. Many people begin their journey with significant insulin resistance, which limits their ability to efficiently transport nutrients into their cells. As that problem improves, the body becomes much better at absorbing and utilizing amino acids, helping restore proper function and support long-term health. Many people who struggle with insulin resistance also struggle to properly utilize protein. Even if they're consuming enough protein-rich foods, their cells may not be absorbing and using those amino acids efficiently. As insulin sensitivity improves, the body becomes much better at transporting those nutrients where they're needed, supporting recovery, repair, and overall health. Another major sign that you've entered ketosis is a noticeable increase in energy. This happens because your body has shifted to a much larger and more stable fuel source. Ketones are produced from fat, whether that fat comes from your diet or from your body's own stored reserves. If we compare the energy content of fat and carbohydrates, the difference is significant. Fat provides about 9 calories per gram, while carbohydrates provide only 4. That means fat contains more than twice the energy potential. When your body begins relying on fat as its primary fuel, you're essentially gaining access to a massive energy reserve that was previously locked away. Instead of constantly depending on your next meal to keep your energy levels up, your body can tap into stored fat between meals. This creates a more consistent supply of fuel throughout the day. Many people notice fewer energy crashes, greater endurance, and improved productivity because fat and ketones provide a cleaner and more efficient energy source. The fifth sign is improved mental performance. This includes better concentration, sharper memory, and stronger focus. One reason for this improvement is that ketones serve as an excellent fuel source for the brain. Excessive sugar intake over time can interfere with normal brain function and may contribute to damage within nerve cells. This can make it harder for brain cells to receive the fuel they need. It's one reason why metabolic problems are often linked with cognitive decline later in life. When ketones are available, they can provide energy directly to brain cells, helping them function more efficiently. As a result, many people report greater mental clarity, faster thinking, and improved attention span. Some even notice that tasks requiring concentration become easier and more effortless. During periods of deeper ketosis, especially while fasting, mental sharpness often becomes even more noticeable. The sixth clue is a reduction in inflammation and physical discomfort. Ketones have natural anti-inflammatory properties, which means they may help calm inflammatory processes throughout the body. People dealing with chronic inflammation, joint discomfort, autoimmune issues, or other inflammatory conditions often notice that symptoms begin to improve after spending time in ketosis. Reduced swelling, less pain, and greater physical comfort can all be strong indicators that the body has successfully made the metabolic shift. The seventh sign is feeling satisfied after eating. One of the biggest frustrations many people experience before improving their metabolic health is that they never seem fully satisfied no matter how much they eat. As insulin sensitivity improves, nutrients are delivered into the cells more effectively. This allows the body to actually utilize the vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and other nutrients present in food. When the cells receive what they need, feelings of satisfaction naturally increase. Before ketosis, a person may constantly crave food because their cells are not efficiently receiving nourishment. Once nutrient delivery improves, hunger often becomes easier to control and meals feel much more fulfilling. Of course, food quality still matters, but improved nutrient absorption plays an important role as well. The eighth sign is an improvement in mood and emotional well-being. People who previously struggled with low mood, irritability, or anxious feelings often report feeling calmer, more positive, and emotionally balanced. Part of this may be related to improvements in what some researchers refer to as brain insulin resistance. As the brain becomes better supplied with fuel, important systems involving neurotransmitters and hormones may function more effectively. Since these systems influence mood and emotional stability, improvements in metabolic health can have a noticeable impact on how a person feels day to day. Research examining ketogenic diets and mood has produced mixed results, but there are several reasons for that. Some studies rely on animal models, which can be difficult to compare directly to human emotional experiences. Others use diets that are high in fat, but still contain far more carbohydrates than a true ketogenic diet. In some cases, researchers simply provide ketone supplements rather than having participants follow an actual ketogenic lifestyle. These approaches are not the same thing. Taking ketones and following a properly structured ketogenic diet can produce very different outcomes, making it difficult to draw clear conclusions from every study. The ninth and perhaps most powerful sign of all is a dramatic reduction in appetite. For many people, this is the clearest indication that ketosis is truly working. When your body becomes efficient at burning fat, it no longer relies entirely on a constant stream of carbohydrates for energy. Between meals, it can access stored body fat and use it as fuel. This allows you to go much longer without feeling hungry. Many people are surprised by this change because they've spent years believing that frequent hunger is normal. Once the body adapts to fat burning, cravings often decrease, meal timing becomes more flexible, and maintaining healthy eating habits becomes much easier. A reduced appetite makes long-term consistency far more achievable because you're no longer fighting constant hunger throughout the day. Instead of feeling controlled by food, your body gains the ability to draw energy from its own reserves whenever it's needed. Now that you understand the key signs that indicate ketosis is taking place, the next step is learning how to follow a healthy ketogenic lifestyle correctly. Choosing the right approach from the beginning can make the transition smoother, improve results, and help you experience all of the benefits we've discussed here at Wellness Science Hub.